Well, hey y'all, we got another eBay order going out to a Mr. James H. from Advance, North Carolina. He ordered a Holley Performance Carburetor Rebuild Kit number 371543. Mr. James, we do appreciate your order. We're sticking this here in the mail to you in the morning. Beth wrote you a note on the back side of our sticker. That's our main channel, Dixie Customs. If you see this, it's on Dixie Extra. Sticking that in the box for you. That way you can get your project back underway. We do appreciate your order. And it's car show season, so it's time to get everything out and running. So maybe this will help you get everything, get you working on back in order and get you in the road. So there you go. We'll put it in the mail in the morning and it should be getting to you sometime this week. We do appreciate your order. Thanks for doing business with us, and check out our main channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend. Helps the channel grow. Thank you for what you did.